How's it going, everyone? In today's video, we are going to talk about the Google Workspace Studio as for our review. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about is what is basically the Google Workspace Studio. It is a no-code platform that lets us build AI agents inside our Gmail, Drive, documents, and more. You simply describe what you want, and the AI automate the task for you. Once again, it's going to be inside Google Workspace. Think of it as an AI that works inside on the Google application. From there, let's talk about the AI features or their key features. Basically, we have the build AI workflows using natural language. So once again, you can just describe what you want and then it will do the thing for you. Like with this one, notify me about emails from key people, label emails that have action items and more. Now, once again, they automate your emails, documents, and tasks. They work across the Google Workspace. Basically, it's your Gmail, Drive, Sheets, and Chat, and it is powered by Gemini AI for reasoning. No coding needed, so anyone can just use it from the get-go. The real use cases for the application is the something like auto sorting and replies to the email. We can summarize our meetings, we can generate reports from data, and we can automate repetitive work. Some companies report massive proper productivity gains after using the Google Workspace Studio. Now, of course, there's a downside to the Google Workspace Studio. That is, basically, it is still rolling out. Not everyone has access to the workspace yet. Mostly for business users, they will then have a problem because, once again, as of the moment, it is still currently being tested and it can struggle with complex logic sometimes. So, as a conclusion, Workspace Studio is one of the first tools that makes AI agents actually practical. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's a big step up towards automating real work. Basically, this is best for teams and productivity, but not necessarily for casual users yet. If this video or comparison or review has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.